Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here at the beautiful Candolim beach in North Goa. I'm going to be showing you guys the beach. I'm going to be showing you guys the shacks. I'm going to tell you guys the water sports prices as well as the shops on the street. So first, let's check out the streets of Candolim and then let's go and check out the beautiful beach here in Goa. Okay guys, so we are on the main streets of Candolim here, and as you can see, there's a lot of bustle around here. And I was just coming down the street and I noticed like there is so many people. I would say there are more people now here than in December, which is surprising. And almost every second person that you see on the street is a British tourist, or British tourists who are here for like longer holidays, or they stay for around 6 months. So you'll see a lot of older British people here at the moment. And yeah, Candolim is bustling with life. It took me around 1 hour to come from Betim, which is like the Panjim Street area, to here, which is very, very long. So this is the mango grove over here. As you can see, it's full of international tourists at the moment, and most of the street side restaurants all have international tourists now. And surprisingly, they are in, most of them are in the Indian restaurants, like the Punjabi restaurants and those kind of restaurants. You would expect people to go to the continental ones, but it's great to see that they're enjoying the Indian food here. So this is Vado 15, which is a popular restaurant here on the left. So why did this guy park in the middle of the road? Okay, so on the right is the famous supermarket, which is the Newton supermarket. Now we are going to go to Morod Vado here on the left, which is the road going to the beach. So we are here around 11:45. It is super hot, but wow, so many people. So I've been coming here I'm actually coming here after a very long time. So I did not expect this much crowd in January, but usually we have a lot of crowd in December, but this is actually in fact more than the crowd that you would see in December. So all the shops are like super bustling and hustling here. There's like, it's not full of people, but they are full of items here. So if you see, like, all of the clothes and everything is fully stocked. I don't want to go too fast so you guys get a view of the actual experience here. So as I was saying before, it is full of British tourists now. And as we go down, so this is one of the best tattoo places here, RK Tattoo. So if you ever want to get a tattoo, you can go to that place. See, this is brand new here. This is called White Plate by Chef Jason. So this is like a super fancy restaurant. I wish I could stop by and show you guys the full restaurant. It's like super huge. But yeah, I will probably do it in a walking tour of this area in future. But this is a sports bar here on the right. In the evenings, it's fully packed. In the morning time, because there are not many sports matches. See, this is also something new here. So this is Club J3. So this was not there before. So this is a new club that is here. So they have like unlimited drinks offer here. You can check them online probably. So this is like a super big club. So there's a lot of new things that have opened up here. This is like all the bags. These are so popular here right now. Like, I've seen like almost most of the tourists with this. And of course we had the cow in the middle of the street as usual here in Goa. So it adds to the character and the vibe here. So this is another restaurant, Azura, which is quite popular. So we are going to park up here. I don't want to, park down there. That's the main parking area, but I like to park here because I don't want to, it takes me less time to get out of here when I have to. So this is the main entrance to Candolim. Sorry guys, I'm just taking off my helmet. So this is the main Candolim beach entrance area. This restaurant here is very popular for British tourists. So you'll always see British tourists here. So anyway, let's head on down to the beach. So it's very good to see that there are so many new places that have opened up now. compared to before. And yeah, so we have a lot of people from different countries here right now, and yeah, you can't really tell from where people are, but most the British tourists is very easy to tell. Okay, so the car parking and bike parking is still here. So the prices is like tempo is like 200, four-wheelers are 100, two-wheelers are 50 rupees, and taxi is 30 rupees, and you can park for up to 4 hours. So this is the garden here, and this is like a popular garden for kids. If you ever come here and you have your kids here, you can bring your kids to this garden here on the left. That is the bike parking area there, and yeah, it's not that hot as well, but it's kind of hot and it's kind of cool at the same time. The breeze is nice. This thing over here, sadly it's half destroyed, like people taking photos with it have ended up destroying the place. So anyway, let's try and go to the beach. Surprisingly, seeing tourists here with their bags. So yeah, so 1:45 we're going to check out the water sports prices and everything. We'll also go to the shack, and probably I'm going to ask one of the shacks for the menu prices if I can. But yeah, it's so good to see the amount of people that are there here right now. They have a toilet there. You can have a bath if you want to. It's 30 rupees for a shower. So after going to the beach, you can go for a nice shower. There is so much noise here, so many people, and very good to see Goa is full of so many people. So what we are going to do is let's head on down to the beach. Now this is the main beach entrance area. Wow, look at the amount of people that are there right now. So this on the left here is the Cloudine's beach shack, and on the right we have Jason's beach shack there. So anyway, we'll go from this, there's a little path here. So we're going from, thank you, kaisa hai? So he said he watches all my videos. Nahi re baba, locally hai main. So yeah, this is the Cloudine's shack, guys. It is super nice. So look how beautiful it is inside. Anyway, so we are going to check out the beach entrance here, and let's go to the water sports prices and check out the water sports prices. So over here we have the water sports prices, which is parasailing is 1,500, jet ski is 600, bumper is 600, that is for 2 people, banana ride. So you can just pause the video and see the prices here. पैकेज है रे भाई? हाँ, पैकेज का कितना प्राइस है? कितना लोग करेगा इसका हिसाब से पैकेज? एक का पैकेज नहीं बनेगा, 2 लोगों का पैकेज। 2 लोग का कितना आता है? 4,800. Okay, 4,800, 4,800 for 2 people. Okay, so let's just look around here. This is Jason's Beach Cafe here, and yeah, Jason's is a lot of international tourists again. So we have so many shacks now, and the place has completely changed from before. So let's just go onto the beach, look at the crowds, see this water sports. So Candolim is like the most expensive water sports you can do in Goa. These rates are exorbitant. Yeah, so too much rates. But look at the amount of people, guys. There's so many people here right now. Oh my gosh. So the beach is up to there. Before, the beach beds were right here. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys against the light, but let's go to this side of the beach. So if you want to get a massage also, you can get a massage here. Wow, there's actually a lot of crowd. So the tide is quite low now. So January, February, the tide goes down quite a lot. So here we have the water sports, which is the jet ski. So many people are going for the jet ski ride. and everything. But I'm surprised that the water sports prices have increased so much here, which is way too much. So if you want to do water sports, I would recommend go to some other place. So over there we got the boat shack on the right. We have many other shacks here, but we'll just take a nice walk down this street. It's not a street, but yeah, we'll just take a walk down here. I'm going to show you guys the shacks. That is the boat shack there, and as you can see, there's a lot of people from different countries. Actually, today is the first day I actually forgot to wear my jacket. My skin is burning, and today is the first time I have not actually put my sunscreen on as well. So my wife's going to scream at me because I'm probably going to get so burnt. So we're just walking down this street. Why am I saying street? We're walking down the beach here. Hi, what's up? Good. So yeah, the owner of the shack, what's up? Hi. So yeah guys, so this area here is where all the international tourists come to, which is further down the beach. If you go this side or the other side is where all the international tourists come to. The middle area is where most of the domestic and Indian crowd is. So if you see here, the sand has created like this wall over here, and because of the wall, all the beach beds have been taken up. So this is Bono's shack here. It's super cold breeze, but it is at the same time super hot. So I'm kind of burning here. So what I'm going to do is, like, you can go up from this area here. Let's go up here, check out who's here. We'll walk through the crowds so we can see the, shacks and everything. So just to give you guys an idea of the situation right now, if you're coming on holiday and you want to know what's happening, so good to see all the shacks full of people. So if you see here, let's just look in there. There's so many people, and 90% is international tourists, and most of them are the older tourists. So yeah, we are going to just walk up a little more ahead. Oh, somebody stopped us. I have to move away. Yeah, so this is something I have to watch out for when you have international tourists. This is something that happens. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you some of the nice shacks that are here. These shacks have like Wi-Fi and high speed Wi-Fi. So if somebody wants to do like work from home and you want to sit by the beach, then you love this place. You can get like cocktails and what's up. So I think we have some of our viewers here. Let's go and say hi. So wow, lots of people. Yeah, so this is one of our... Hi, what's up?
How are you?
Good. How are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Pune.
Pune?
From?
Goa.
Goa? You are?
Yeah. So
Staying by your-
because other people want to see Goa. Bye. So yeah, Moses. Yeah. So he wasn't our viewer, but always nice to say hi to people. Take care. See you around. So yeah, I always love meeting people, saying hello. And yeah, so many people here. I thought he was one of our viewers because he waved so happily, but he's probably going to become a viewer soon. So here is the flipper shack. I've actually never come this far in previous videos, so this is why I'm actually going so far, is because I want to show you guys like all the shacks of what's happening like right now. So we are going to go up till the Sam's Paradise, which is a shack there. This is Splash Shack, so you guys can feel like you're walking here in Goa with me. And wow, very beautiful day today. So there's mostly, I keep on saying this, but I'm really surprised that there's hardly any Indian tourists on this side of the beach. It's mostly foreigners. So anyways, we are going to go till this place here, which is Sam's Paradise, and check out the last couple of shacks here. I'm so tired. I've been walking now 15 minutes. So yeah. Oh no, I've not actually been walking for 15 minutes. But yeah. So yeah, we'll spot if we can see one of the menus here, which we can show you guys the rates. So okay, we'll probably head back now, but just to show you, this is sun and sand here, and there's so many shacks going all the way up to Kalangut that side. But yeah, so we'll probably just go here and ask for the menu so I can show you guys the price of the menu. So where is the menu? Okay, we'll enter one of the shacks. This one looks like a nice one. Adra shack mache menu dakuita mache menu there. So the menu is here. Hi. So this is Sam's Paradise here. So if you guys want to come and check out Sam's Paradise, so I'll just show you guys the menu. So they have like all the specialities here. So I'm just showing you guys the menu prices so you guys have an idea. So they have a lot of English food, like for British tourists. So they have beans on toast, they have toast. So these are like things most of the international tourists would like. Over here you have, so the prices are very decent here. So you can come. You're the manager. So this is the manager here. So if you ever come, you can meet him. Seems like a nice chilled out guy. So the prices are very decent, really good. So just to show you here, so if you're looking for a good option here with good prices, you can come here. So these are the like seafood prices. Specialty kya? What is the specialty?
A lot of things, man. If you want to come over, like because
So
because we change the menu all the time, aren't we? But
okay.
especially in Goan, the Goan food we do give.
Okay. So this is saying they are good at Goan food here. So anyway, if you want to come, this is one of the shacks here, which is called Sam's Paradise here on the Candolim beach. So anyway, I'm going to head on back and I'll show you guys from a little ahead there. Okay guys, so we are back at the main entrance here of the Candolim beach. So I met a lot of my British viewers on the way back. I ended up saying hi to many people, and you know, many people didn't want to disturb me while I was shooting, but many people came to say hi, but they didn't want to be on video, unfortunately. But I'm just going to show you guys the scenes from here. So this is the sea here. So you know, you guys always want to see the beach, the water. So the water is super nice and cold, so my feet are splashing in the water now. But yeah, the water is super nice, cold, relaxing, beautiful days here. So if you want to swim, you'll probably have a great time here. So we are going to walk slightly backwards because the light is this side, but I'm just going to show you. So these are all the people that are coming out of the water sports right now. And yeah, let's just take a look around, complete look around here, so you guys have an idea of the crowd situation here and how it is. So just to show you guys, that side there's a lot of crowd, as well as on this side as well. So yeah guys, this was the Candolim beach here in North Goa. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.